Hello project planners, I'm Steve from TimeCostCurves and we solve time cost problems and more. Our product buys you time because that's what it does. So what you see here is a bridge project plan example with everything working together, and what buys you time does is three big things for you. It draws activity on arrow charts, which is great for logic. It plots time-lapse gantt moving pictures, which is great for sequencing and visualizations. And it solves the time cost problem by plotting the time cost curve, which is great for optimizing. All of this springs from your Gantt chart and works within the one single self-contained file. So let's zoom in and take a closer look at some of the details. Okay, so the apps are available in the ribbon under time cost curves, where you can see their plot time cost curve, plot AOA, and scroll time-lapse gantt. So the activity on arrow chart, this is actually a resurrection from the early days of modern CPM planning, when such network diagrams were often drawn, much more so than nowadays. All the information from your Gantt chart is also available here, including activity ID and description in the legend. We have durations and costs. We have the critical path, the bold path through the diagram. You have start date and finish date of your project, and the logical dummy activities are also included. Red is for in-progress activities at a certain status date, and the logical dummies will change if the duration of the activities change. Next one is the time-lapse gantt moving picture. This was invented so you can do your own BIM modeling. You can see all the activities happening on site there, and up above you can arrange the intangible activities into the V development model. You can see the workers on site during the work days. All quantities, costs, and durations are also included. And the next main feature is the time cost curve. This solves the time cost problem, which is actually the original problem that CPM was developed to solve. Of course, it's still the same planning problem, which everyone wants a solution to, namely how you're going to do the project, when's it going to finish, and how much is it going to cost. So as you compress your bar chart, you will plot each schedule that day by day is 1 day shorter, and you're plotting that against cost. You can see least cost and least time there after the normal schedule. All of the above is based on the one single bar chart. You can see the critical path changing as you compress it. So all these complicated calculations are done for you according to the number of options that you have per activity. Buys you time can handle up to 20 options with related duration and cost per activity. That's 20 options per activity. Okay, so then buys you time. Well, what does it do? It leverages what you already do, which is draw up Gantt charts, and in a matter of minutes you can come up with these results. The time-lapse Gantt modeling will take a bit longer, but that depends on how elaborate you want to be. So all up, you can buy a lot of time with buys you time, all the while that you're solving real project planning problems. So look us up at timecostcurves.com and get in contact.